Hi everybody, this is Danielle at the National Weather Service in Slidell, and here's your outlook for the next 7 days. The main impacts over the next 7 days are that we're looking at potential for patchy moderate to dense fog tonight with a dense fog advisory in effect for portions of the area going into the weekend. There's some potential for 1 or 2 strong to severe thunderstorms on Sunday, and then going into the middle part of next week, it looks like we could be dealing with a threat of heavy rainfall. So taking a look at that dense fog threat, you can see we have issued a dense fog advisory for parishes that are generally around the immediate shores of Lake Pontchartrain and Lake Maurepas, and then down to the mouth of the river. So we do expect visibility to occasionally drop to 1/4 mile or less in these areas. And just as a heads up, that advisory may need to be extended in area if the visibility does drop below what we're expecting in areas that are outside of the current advisory. So just kind of keep an eye on that tonight as far as the visibility is concerned, and especially for tomorrow morning's commute. Going into the weekend, you can see on that map where we're forecasting a cold front to be Sunday morning. As that front comes through the area on Sunday, it will be accompanied by showers and thunderstorms. 1 or 2 of those thunderstorms could be severe, and if any storms do become severe, the main threat would be damaging wind gusts. Right now it looks like a very marginal threat, so we're not expecting anything widespread, but definitely something to just keep in mind as you go about your weekend plans. As far as rainfall is concerned over the weekend, not a whole lot of rainfall in the forecast. Most places should see less than an inch, but as that front comes through, 1 or 2 storms could be a little bit heavier. The main threat for next week will be some potential for locally heavy rainfall, especially on January 1st and 2nd. The timing of greatest threat does appear to be that Wednesday-Thursday timeframe, but there's a little bit of uncertainty in exactly when that'll be, so definitely keep an eye on the forecast going into next week. Here's the current forecast rainfall for Tuesday night through Wednesday night. You can see we have a large swath of rainfall greater than 2 inches, 2 to 3 inches everywhere, generally along and west of I-59. And again, that's Tuesday night through Wednesday night, and that does not include any rainfall that would fall on Thursday, since Thursday is currently just beyond our current forecast period. So definitely something to keep an eye on going into next week. So once again, for the next 7 days, the main weather threats are going to be patchy moderate to dense fog. Tonight, we do have that dense fog advisory for the parishes that are surrounding the tidal lakes and then down to the mouth of the river. We have that cold front over the weekend that could bring 1 or 2 strong to severe storms to the area on Sunday, and then the potential for locally heavy rainfall as we move into the middle part of next week to start 2020.